My name is Jakub Drozdowski and I'm going to introduce you to the company Tesco and present a couple of methods of communication that they're using.
Hi, my name is Malinauskas. Today I'm going to speak about recommendations to Tesco company and our conclusions.
Hi there, my name is Henrique and I'll be talking to you about Tesco customer service, Tesco services and some of the communication barriers that they might face.
Tesco is a British multinational grocery and general merchandise company. It's established by Jakub in 1919, but the name Tesco came first in 1924 when he bought a load of tea from the tea Stockwell and marked them using first 3 letters from provider and 2 of his surname. Nowadays, Tesco is one of the largest retailers in the world, having almost 7,000 shops all over the globe. Social media are used of web and mobile technologies to transform communication into interactive dialogue. These days, it is one of the most relevant sources that companies use. Tesco has accounts on the most important of them, like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or even YouTube, where they upload their advertisements. There are plenty of reasons why this source is so important and powerful. Firstly, relationships that are formed on social media last a lot longer than a click on an ad. When you really do social well, you will gain a loyal following and fans who really know you and want to be a part of what you and your business have created. Each of us use social media these days. That makes communications via online platforms easy and instant. It doesn't matter where are you, if you can just open your smartphone or other device and see the newest Tesco tweets or products on Instagram or Facebook. However, we cannot forget that it got disadvantages. Social takes a lot of time to master and then to maintain, and time is the most valuable asset. Time isn't free. Tesco have to use it wisely, and social is a big drain of assets, especially for the big companies. Social media is only one method of advertisement which they are using. Forms like TV, magazines and leaflets are still in use by them. Firstly, TV advertisement, which Tesco is making, reaches a large audience compared to other forms of media because it has influence to each target of future customer. It can also accomplish this in a much shorter amount of time than the other methods. On the other hand, it is difficult to correct errors or make changes. That's why Tesco got special marketers to avoid such mishaps. Tesco got their own magazine and leaflets where they describe newest offers and products. It is really good announcement because it is very cheap way and they are not putting much effort into it, but they reach the small demographic group, mostly older generation.
Tesco customer service. Tesco leads the way in customer service in the retail sector, providing an excellent service on social media and over the phone. The agents that are at the forefront of customer service are specifically trained and have full knowledge on services, goods, offers, and even upcoming dates and events. Tesco are very quick when responding to customer queries via email. Customers can also use their FAQ section on their website, which offer quick solutions to the most common problems customers face on a daily basis when using Tesco services. The FAQ section also saves customers a lot of time, as new customers might find answers on problems where existing clients have already faced in the past. Over the phone, Tesco also offer a great service, enabling customers to have their questions answered directly by an agent, rather than waiting for an email reply. Tesco clearly lay out their customer service operation times, which lets customers know when exactly they can reach the customer service teams. A very clever method of providing face-to-face customer service, which can sometimes be overlooked, is the service provided at 24-hour stores. These stores can help customers who want quick solutions on issues or want advice on service or products. Tesco have a website for customers to provide feedback on their experiences while shopping or using any Tesco service. This is a good way for the company to be able to direct communicate with customers and the other way around, as customers can clearly rate the service, allowing the organization to know where to improve. Tesco services. Tesco provide many services other than grocery stores. Tesco have petrol stations, bank, club card, mobile, and even opticians. By providing all these services, it makes Tesco a more attractive destination for shoppers. This allows them to communicate with customers on a different sector, but at the same time keeping a good standard of service and increasing their brand awareness and reputation. Tesco Mobile is a cheap and reliable service. Tesco were actually the first supermarket to launch their own mobile service, and they now have thousands of users. Tesco Club Card is one of the best discount cards of any supermarket, allowing business to communicate with customers through offers and deals personally offered to them. Tesco Club Card offers customers discount on cinema, restaurants and other activities which people can take advantage of. Online delivery is another service which puts Tesco right on top of retailers. However, customers have had bad experiences with their service, taking a lot of time, website crashing and orders not being completed correctly. Tesco barriers. Every company can potentially face communication barriers, and these can affect their business operations and how they come across to their audience. Some of the communication barriers Tesco face are language, overload of information, and inconsistency in their content. The language used in the adverts, promotion campaigns, leaflets, and other methods of marketing has to be suitable for all audiences. Tesco have to consider background, age, and gender when planning how to deliver their messages across. Overload can also be a problem as too much information can cause misinterpretation of content, causing confusion.
Overall, Tesco makes good use of their methods to communicate with customers. However, there are a few recommendations which I would like to make in order to make their service better. Tesco use social media well as they make sure they reach their target audience effectively and efficiently. But their YouTube channel is not properly and frequently used. Tesco could use their channel to promote their products and services or even events. Another option would be to collaborate with known YouTubers who have a lot of influence in order to increase reputation. A good way would be create shows for the YouTube channel which involves known YouTubers performing an activity or using one of their services. A recommendation I would make would be to invest more on Tesco's website development, which allows customers to go online and shop. As there are various complaints of website crashing and slow loading of web pages, it would be a very good way of making customers' shopping experience better and easier. Another recommendation I would make is for Tesco to improve their delivery service to make it faster and more simple to use. There are a few issues with their delivery system which overall, Tesco is doing a lot to attract new customers and sustain the old ones. For example, they are using social media, TV commercials, leaflets, magazines to provide their clients with up-to-date news. Also, they are providing many other services such as mobile provision, deliveries, banking, club cards, opticians. However, they are having some serious issues with some services they provide. For that reason, our team came up with the recommendations for the company from different perspectives, how to improve their efficiency, customer satisfaction, and grow in the future. Tesco also uses adverts to reach their customers. For example, they show TV commercials which include seasonal campaigns which target an event or even particular audience. Distribute leaflets and magazines. By using this method, they mostly target particular demographic groups, which is good, but on the other hand, if a mistake is made, it is difficult and expensive to fix it or change it. Also, the popularity of this method is decreasing. However, it has some drawbacks, like they can run through some serious technical issues. By posting inappropriate content, they can affect their reputation, which is hard to restore. Because once it is published online, it is there forever. Posts can be easily criticized, and older generation customers might not access the sources they are posting online. In the conclusion, Tesco company runs a massive customer service office, which can be accessed by people not only by emailing and calling them or reading the frequently asked questions, but also contacting them via different social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. By adding this feature to their customer service, they are widening their reach of customers, increasing brand awareness, but also it is cost-effective and easily accessible.